I have the cheat code to turn your manager into a leasing machine. So all the owners, all district managers, all the managers that want to hone your craft, become the best at what you're doing, listen in. You know, we all know that you need reps in anything. If you're renting units, you need to have 100 units underneath your belt before you're fluent in it and you feel good. And and self storage, you only get one to two, sometimes three rentals a day, depending on your location. So it's just tough to get to that 100. So you have to role play, and owners don't want to role play with their managers. Managers don't want to role play with their district managers, and it goes on. But to get better, you need to, get in there and practice and practice and practice because that practice makes progress. And when you can be flawless when you're practicing, when you're live in front of a customer, and every customer is worth $1,500, $1,800 that walks in to your facility, on the average length of stay, you really got to win on every touch. So, you got to role play. And here's the cheat code. You can use Chat GPT to actually role play. Now, I'm going to do a quick example and, just go through the whole process. But, think about that. If you're doing 5 or 10 of these, in the morning, or, every manager knows that little window where there's downtime. Think about how good you can actually get when you kind of hear every objection, and you can use your prompts to let the Chat GPT know how you want to handle it. But let's get into a role play here. I'm just in regular Chat GPT. I'm gonna be in like listening mode so I can speak, and we'll go from there. Here we go. Ring, ring, ring. This is Garrett. Thanks for calling Storage Authority. I'll be your self-storage consultant.
Hi, Garrett. This is Alex Thompson. I'm looking to rent a storage unit and could use some help with the details.
Awesome. Appreciate you calling in, Alex. Real quick, is this a good phone number you're calling from?
Yes, this is the best number to reach me at.
I appreciate that. It's just in case we get disconnected. And one more thing, do you mind sharing how you heard about us? How'd you get our phone number?
I heard about you from a friend who recommended your services.
That's awesome. I appreciate you sharing that. Being locally owned and operated, we appreciate those referrals. And, the more we know about how our customers and clients are hearing about us, the better we can compete with these big corporations out there. So thank you for sharing.
You're welcome. I'm glad to help.
Now, do you know when you think you might need your self-storage unit?
I'm planning to start next week. Do you have any units available?
Absolutely, absolutely. Now, have you stored with us before here at Storage Authority?
No, this will be my first time storing with you.
All right. Well, tell you what, Alex, you're definitely going to love. We're a super clean facility. A lot of security cameras throughout the site. We have a hands-free app that as you come into our facility, the gate will open automatically for you, better than a garage door opener. And we have the best guarantee in the business. And part of that guarantee is, we have a 1-year price guarantee where we won't raise your rent the whole year. A lot of our competitors will hit you with 2 or 3 rentals within that year. So our customers love that transparency. We might be a little higher, but they like the transparency that we back that up with.
That all sounds great. I appreciate the thoroughness and the guarantee. It definitely helps to know I won't have to deal with unexpected rent increases.
Awesome. Well, can you share a little bit about what you're going to be storing? I'll help you find the best fit for your storage needs.
Sure. I'll be storing some furniture, a few boxes of holiday decorations, and a couple of bicycles. It's a mix of items that I need to keep organized and in good condition.
I got you. I got you. Now that furniture you mentioned, what type of furniture is it? Just so I can, get a good idea of what unit is probably going to be best for you.
It includes a couch, a dining table, and a couple of chairs.
Okay. I think we should be able to get you in a 10 by 10. So that's 10 feet wide and 10 feet deep. Does that sound about right, or do you think you might need a little bit bigger or a little smaller?
A 10 by 10's like it should work. I think that size will be a good fit for what I'm storing.
Perfect. And well, so from the furniture, we'll probably put you in climate control. So there's standard and then there's climate control. And climate control is more like storing in your house versus standard unit would be more storing in your garage. Is there a preference there for you?
I'd prefer the climate controlled unit to keep everything in better condition, especially for the furniture and decorations.
Perfect. All right, so the price for that 10 by 10 is 169.99. We do have a one-time admin fee of $29 here at the setup, and we do require insurance. Now, most of our clients go with the $2,000 coverage for $12. Does that sound like that's going to be enough for you for your belongings?
Yes, that coverage should be sufficient for my belongings. I'm okay with the $169.99 per month, the $29 admin fee, and the $12 insurance.
Perfect. Well, we should be able to get this buttoned up in about 4 or 5 minutes, and we can get this out of inventory and rent it in your name. So I'll just need your full name to get started.
Sure, it's Alex Thompson.
In role play, there we go. That could go a 100 different ways. You can kind of prompt Chat GPT to be a little more aggressive, throw some objections at you, but that's it. It's all about fielding those reps and getting better. So owners, district managers, managers that want to get better at what they're doing, get working on Chat GPT, get those role plays going. So when you get live in front of a customer, you are going to be the best of the best. And it's all about, driving that revenue at the facility. That's what we're about at Storage Authority, high tech, high touch, but it's all about really being that hometown self storage and, being the price leader, but then backing that up, with just having amazing customer service, being part of the community. That's what we're all about. If you want to learn more about our model, it's storageauthorityfranchise.com. But looking forward to seeing you next time.